We were sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names? Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. I've been up since 3, scrolling back where we used to be. Half truths in this late night chat, both of us knowing what a lie that. Funny how we talk like we're fine, but your name still lives in my rhyme. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. If only for a moment. If only for a moment. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment.
Hi, Xylophone. Hi, Darren. Guys, message me your WhatsApp or Telegram. I will add you. Hi, Ramon. Ramon, would you like to handle my video or video call? Message me your Telegram. Baby. Baby. Sa akin, WhatsApp niya. They are Habibi, your number doesn't have WhatsApp number. WhatsApp. Add mo ko, Ichan. Okay, Ichan. Send mo sa akin WhatsApp number mo or Telegram. Add kita. Bibi, you will see only, at least send 300, Bibi. I will send you 7 video. You will see everything in me. Habibi, send me 300. I can't find your number on WhatsApp. Guys, I'm banned from chat, okay? I won't be able to reply. Hi, big boy. Kumusta di? Thank you, Ramon. Sino gustong mag-avail, guys? Message nyo sa akin, WhatsApp nyo or Telegram. A-add ko kayo. Thank you, Ramon. Ramon, would you like to avail my video? Or video call? Thank you. Echan B ba yan? Makachat na ata kita ya. Yung Echan, ikaw ba yun? Guys, send 300, 500, or 1,000. Habibi, make it 300. I will send you my 7 video. Fully naked masturbating. I can send your WhatsApp, baby. I'm banned from chat. Just check your number. Because it's saying that you don't have WhatsApp on that number. Ramon, send me your WhatsApp number or Telegram. If you have Telegram, you send me your username. Username on Telegram. Guys, I won't be able to reply or message you guys. I'm banned from chat here on Bigo. Okay. Chan, ikaw ba si ano? Ikaw ba si... I can message because I'm banned from chat here on Bigo. Ikaw ba si Echan B? Echan? Yeah, you messaged me already, Ramon. Give me your WhatsApp number if you want to avail my video or video call. I will send you the rates. Ramon, I won't be able to message you guys because I'm from chat. I'm banned, guys. Bigo ban me to chat. You don't I understand you very well, really. I told you I can message you because I'm banned from chat. Hi, ID number 106716. Guys, yun na gusto mag-avail video ko or video call, message nyo ako dito sa Bigo ko. I-send nyo sa akin yung WhatsApp nyo, WhatsApp number or Telegram nyo. Tapos, i-add ko kayo doon. Sino pa gustong mag-avail na kayo. Sino gustong makitang lahat-lahat sa akin. Very sure, B. Message mo sa akin yung WhatsApp mo or Telegram kung mag-a-avail ka ng video or video call. Follow mo ako dito sa Bigo, tapos i-chat mo sa akin contacts mo. Kung anong meron ka, WhatsApp, Telegram, pwede din Messenger. Send nyo sa
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that